Stop scrolling. If your Xfinity cable box is blinking green light right now, this video can save you time and frustration. I'm going to explain exactly what that blinking green light means and how to fix it step by step using real, proven solutions technicians actually use. First, let us understand the meaning. A blinking green light on an Xfinity cable box usually means the box is trying to connect to the network or update its system. Most of the time, this happens after a power outage, signal interruption, or system refresh. Solution number one is a proper power reset. Unplug the power cable from the cable box. Wait at least 60 seconds, not 10 seconds. This clears temporary memory and resets the internal processor. Now plug the power cable back in and wait patiently for 5 to 7 minutes. Do not press any button during this time. Solution number two is checking the coax cable connection. Tighten the coax cable at the back of the cable box using your fingers. Also, check the wall outlet connection. A loose coax cable is one of the most common causes of blinking green light issues. Solution number three is signal refresh. Sometimes the box is stuck waiting for authorization from Xfinity servers. Unplug the power cable again. Wait 2 minutes. Plug it back in and let the box restart fully. This forces a fresh signal handshake with the network. Solution number four is overheating check. If the cable box feels hot, turn it off immediately. Move it to an open area with proper airflow. Never place it inside a closed cabinet or on top of other electronics. Overheating can cause continuous green blinking and system lock. Solution number five is waiting for system update completion. During late night or early morning hours, Xfinity often pushes firmware updates. A blinking green light can mean the update is in progress. In this case, do not unplug the box for at least 15 minutes. Interrupting an update can damage the system software. If the green light keeps blinking for more than 30 minutes after trying all steps, the cable box may have a hardware fault. At that point, replacement is the only real solution. That is it. Simple, authentic, and technician-approved fixes. If this helped you, this is Tech Vibes. See you in the next video.